BigSpot review earn money line. I am going to show you why, in my opinion, BigSpot is a complete waste of time. This BigSpot review, I'm going to give you an inside look and take a look just for yourself if it will be worth your time or not, and you can see exactly what you get on BigSpot. It might be a little bit different than what you expect. It seems like any other service sites. When you first come to BigSpot.com, what it actually offers, you sign up and get service and then get paid. It says you get matched with companies. It doesn't actually offer any pay service on the site itself. Just log in and then I will show you what the site actually really offers. It says you get matched with companies. I will show you what that actually means. Just log in. So you need to know about BigSpot is that you actually don't create an account. You just give your email. You get a few recommendations. That's what you get, and you might get less depending on the country you live in. You might get a little bit more, and that's that's it. If they were worth joining, there is no like in the information about these panels. You start earning on those sites. You click on the join now to sign up, and then you will be taken to these service sites. You actually don't earn on BigSpot. It's just as I created here. You don't earn on BigSpot. They get commissions for referring people to these sites. You see here, I get their recommendations. They recommended the ones that they get paid to. There is no information. It's like very poor selection, so I cannot see exactly get a quick overview. You don't actually get members or anything. They have your email address. When you give them your email address, you don't actually know what that will be used for, and then you get a poor list of some service sites in their defense. They are leisure. These services that I have seen that promote, I must say that all of these there here are definitely leisure, but this is just a complete waste of time. It is not that they promote scam. A few suggestions. You just get like superficial information, and there is a lot more to join. So as you can see, BigSpot.com does not really offer anything. So in my opinion, it's just a complete waste of time. In my opinion, you get a very short list of a few service sites. It just offers you to give your email address. You will actually run on those sites if you sign up, and you don't get any advice or good information about which sites are the best for you. You get a few suggestions. No need at all to sign up for like I see. In my opinion, it's completely unnecessary. You can find that information easily other places and earn money. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.